Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung's foldable sales are on a downward trend, which is not surprising given the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 hardly packed any upgrades over their predecessors. With the competition launching slimmer and more impressive foldable, Samsung's innovation appears to have stalled. If leaks are anything to go by, Samsung may not make any radical improvements with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this year as well. A newly surfaced leak now reveals key details about the display specs of Samsung's upcoming flagship foldable. An ET News report claims Samsung will use an 8-inch folding display on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and omit the digitizer to reduce the foldable's overall thickness. Starting with the Z Fold 3, Samsung has included a digitizer on all its foldables for S Pen support. But the company will supposedly ditch the digitizer this year in favor of a slimmer profile. This move will apparently help Samsung shave off 0.6mm thickness from the Z Fold 7's waistline. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is 12.2mm thick, 1.2mm thinner than the Z Fold 5, but is still thicker than the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and OnePlus Open. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, available in South Korea and China, is only 10.6mm thick when folded. Samsung aims to make the Z Fold 7 less than 10mm thick when folded, and it will supposedly finalize the target this month. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will purportedly support the S Pen. The report claims Samsung will integrate the input technology directly into the stylus rather than the display. It further claims the upcoming Galaxy Foldable will sport an 8-inch folding screen and a 6.5-inch cover display bigger than the Z Fold 6 and the same dimensions as the Z Fold Special Edition. This will also help Samsung reduce the phone's thickness, as there will be more internal room to fit all the components. Lastly, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will use the same M13 OLED panel as the Galaxy Z Fold 6, S24 Ultra, and S25 Ultra. This means the peak brightness and other display aspects are unlikely to pack any improvements. Display analyst Ross Young reaffirmed the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will sport a 6.5-inch cover display. He also shared details about the screen size of Samsung's first trifold device. When unfolded, the display will apparently measure 10 inches, while the cover screen will match the Z Fold 7 at 6.5 inches. Samsung's first trifold device is poised to launch later in 2025 and possibly carry the Galaxy G Fold moniker. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.